In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your presentation using Google extensions like Screencastify or Loom. This is a straightforward process that will help you create professional-looking video content from your slides, whether it's for an online class, a business meeting, or any other type of presentation. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to have your presentation ready to go. Open it up and make sure everything appears correctly on your screen. Take a moment to go through your slides, check for any errors, and ensure that all elements like animations and transitions are functioning the way you want them to. Next, we'll be using extensions like Screencastify or Loom, which are powerful tools for recording your screen along with your voice or video from your webcam. If you don't have these extensions installed yet, head over to the Chrome Web Store and download them. Once they're set up, you'll see their icons in the top right corner of your browser, usually next to the search bar. Now click on the icon for the extension you've chosen to use. A small window will pop up with recording options. Look for the record button, often labeled as Rec, or simply with a red dot. This is your gateway to starting the recording. Before you hit record, let's make sure your audio and video are properly set up. If you have an external microphone or camera and you want to use those to enhance the quality of your recording, check the drop-down menu of available devices in this window. This menu shows all the microphones and cameras connected to your computer. Select the ones that best fit your needs. For instance, if you're using an external microphone, pick it from the list to ensure crisp and clear audio. The same goes for webcams if you'll be using video. Selecting the correct devices can make a huge difference in the overall quality of your final recording. Once everything is set and you're satisfied with your setup, you're ready to start recording. Click on the record button and begin presenting. You can narrate over your slides, explaining them as you would in a live presentation. Remember to speak clearly and at a steady pace to ensure your audience can follow along with ease. If you make a mistake or need to pause, most extensions allow you to pause the recording and continue when you're ready. When you've finished your presentation, go back to the extensions control panel and stop the recording. You'll have the option to review what you've captured. At this point, most tools offer simple editing features, so you can trim parts of the video or make other adjustments as needed. Finally, save your video. With extensions like Screencastify and Loom, uploading directly to platforms like YouTube or Google Drive is straightforward, or you can simply download the video file to your computer, and that's it. You're ready to share your presentation with the world. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your future presentations more dynamic and engaging. Until next time, keep creating great content.